Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix Shadowban on X, you've come to the right place. So Shadowban on X can limit the visibility of your tweets and interactions without your explicit knowledge. So if you've been if you believe that you've been shadow banned, here are some steps you can take to address the issue. So first of all, you need to identify the shadow ban. Use a shadow ban checking tool like Shadowban AU to confirm if your account is shadow banned. Check if your tweets are not showing up in search results, replies are hidden, or you have reduced engagement. So it was the first step. Second step, review X rules and guidelines. Visit the X rules and policies to ensure that you are not violating any terms. Remove any content that might violate these guidelines. So the third step is to limit your activity. Take a break from tweeting, retweeting, and unfollowing users for a few days. Overactive behavior can trigger a shadow ban. So the first step is avoid using automatic tools. So refrain from using bots or automation tools that violate X policies. Check your follower and following ratio. Avoid having a significantly imbalanced ratio of following to followers. Aim for more balanced ratio. Report the issue to X support. Go to X help center and report the issue. Explain your situation clearly and ask for assistance. Clean up your account. Delete any spammy or questionable tweets. Avoid using sensitive hashtags and mentions in your tweets. So that's all. I hope this information will help you. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.